Okay, so now we're gonna change the widgets of the inbuilt widgetized area in WordPress. You will find it over here in widgets. The first thing we gotta do though, I'm gonna show one thing now. Before we change this one, the template of the page attribute, we use full width, which makes it look like this. So we don't have a sidebar here now. But now we're actually gonna get a sidebar. So we're gonna use the default template. It's gonna look a little bit weird in the beginning. I'm gonna show why. So if we just update now, it's gonna look like this, like recent post, recent comments, and meta. What the fuck is this? Anyway, let's go on. Now we go into the actual widgets that we have here. This is WordPress inbuilt widgetized area, and it's gonna look like this. You see, they are here: the recent post, the recent comments, and the meta, the same as you find here. So now we're actually gonna remove those because this is just gonna look weird. We don't want this. Remove. And we're gonna add another widget. We're gonna go ahead and actually add a Facebook like button. So that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna install this widget a little bit different than we've done before. We're gonna download it from a normal web page. So we're gonna do like this: Facebook. Here you have what I've been searching on before. We're gonna use this one. It has a lot of users. So you just download it, and I put it on my desktop so it's gonna be easy to find. And now we have to go over here. We gotta add it here to plugins. We're gonna add a new one. We've done this before, but then we just search within WordPress. Now we're gonna upload the plugin, and then you just choose the file that we have over here. So install now. And there you go. And don't forget to activate the plugin. Okay, so now we're gonna jump back to the widgets, which you find at appearance and widgets. You see now, this is completely new. We didn't have this before. So if we add this now to the primary where we had the recent comments before, we can just name this like Facebook like box. And then we need to have a URL to our page. I'm just gonna go ahead and use an old one for one of my, let's see, so I'm gonna use this one. And I want actually a bigger width. Oh no, let's keep it like this for now. Oh, sorry for that, I'm gonna have to retake. Okay, so then we go. Alright, so the thing we wanna do now, we wanna go to widgets. And here we're gonna find the Facebook like box. Oh, sorry. So when we install the plugin and activated it, we want to go back to widgets, and now we're gonna find this over here, Facebook like box widget, and we're gonna put it here where we earlier had recent posts. So we're just gonna name it like Facebook like box. And down here we're gonna use our Facebook URL. And here you can add a bunch of things, but I'm just gonna keep it like this, simple and straight and simple. Then I'm gonna save this one. So let's see how it looks now. Earlier we had recent posts and recent comments. And now we have this. Okay, it's not my URL here yet. I forgot to put it here. I think that would do it. Yeah, there we go. We got one like, that is fucking awesome. Woohoo. Anyway, so this is how you can use the widgetized area. You can add pretty much whatever you want. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this though, because it just looks a little bit weird. But this is very useful. If you keep on developing WordPress sites, you're gonna go into this widgetized area a lot. And you're gonna add whatever you want here. You could add, like Facebook have these inbuilt things like categories from your blog post, and you can find. You also had, now when we install the page builder, you could put things like post carousel. So it's gonna show pictures here, and yeah, it's a useful thing to do. And yeah, that's basically it. I think that's everything I have to say about widgets. So we run through how to create a menu over here, and then we added a little bit more widgets on our contact page and the widget over here. This widget we added through page builder, and this widget over here we added through Facebook's inbuilt widgetized area. So if we go back now to our about page, and if we change the settings here, you see now we use the default template, but if we change it to full width, we're gonna see what happens. Then it disappears, and I think I'm actually gonna use it like this. Okay,